Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to handle pagination with a custom hook so you can use it in any project. Here you can see it's working perfectly. Let's go to the code and check how it works. I have added the appList component to app component. This is the one that's rendering in the UI. To that one I have passed the URL to fetch data. Also how much content I expect in one page. In the appList component I have imported the custom hook called use pagination. To that one I have passed the URL and content per page. Let's go to the use pagination hook. In the pagination hook I have two state, one for the data, second one for the current. Also I have calculated how much pages there will be according to the data I have already fetched. So this is fetch data function. I created a callback for that one. Here I am fetching the data from the URL, then I am getting the JSON array, then I am passing that to data state. I am calling that function only once. Okay, in here I have add previous and next function. When I click the previous function, it checks whether the current index is greater than 0. Then it reduces the current index number by 1. When I click the next function, it checks whether the current value is less than number of pages we have. If that's true, then current index value is increment by 1. So after that, this is a use memo. I'm slicing the data array to get the content that I need to show in one page. Here, this is the first value, this is the last value. So according to the current index, I am slicing this array. If current index is 0, this value is 0 and this value is 0, then this is 10. So that means 0, 10. That means I slice the first 10 items that's in the array. I am passing the selected data as data. I am passing the current value, that's current plus 1. Also I am passing next function, previous function and how much pages there is. Here I am getting all these values and I am getting the data from the pagination, and here I am rendering those data. So you can see these are the data that return from the use pagination hook. So every time I click, it returns new data. Also I have another component called app pagination. Here you can see buttons for go to previous one and the next one, also the current value. Here I have done a trick. So here you can see I haven't defined props by myself. What I did is I get the type of the use pagination hook and I only get the return type. So what this means, here this one returns this full function type, URL, string, content per page and the return data. But I don't want this function, I only need the return data. So I added return type in front of it. So I get all the functions. Here you can see data is there also. Now I am getting all the types that's returned from the use pagination. That's why I have passed pagination like this, because this return type and this type is same. Now you understand how use pagination hook works and how to use it. This method is easy, right? If you learn something new, like and subscribe and have a nice day.